Chapter 2. When I opened the door of the flat and stepped out, my wife brought the list of things to buy from the shop and put it in her pocket. And reminded me specifically. I usually forget. Most of the times she goes alone to buy things. Sometimes we buy things for home when we go together. I will bring the things when I come back. I left him saying that. I wish I hadn't forgotten. When I got off the flight, Prakash Chaitan, the secretary and the owner of my flat, is in the parking lot. He is watering the plants. He was in the army and is now retired. Now he has bought 2 or 3 flats here. Looking at it, annual day of the flat. He insists that every flat has an upcoming event. According to him, everyone will participate in the program. My family and I will not be there for this year's annual day meeting. He didn't like it when he was told that I am going for training, so my wife and daughter will go home. They have nothing special to do here. Father and mother come to pick them up. It is also to celebrate Vishu Mati in the country. I have forwarded some amount towards annual day expenses. Therefore, some problems have been avoided. After talking to him for a while, I started my journey to my workplace. Just like a normal day where everyone passes like a bogie of a train. Some of them are leaving the group. I also start my journeys as a bogie in it. I work in a showroom selling premium cars. Very expensive cars are being sold. I am the sales manager there. There are not many employees there. All our customers are celebrities and big businessmen. Asif is one such celebrity. He is the one who has to deliver the car. Asif is a budding young actor. This car is booked for his wife to give as a gift for their wedding anniversary. Everyone was in the mood of a Vishu celebration when they went to the office. After Asif's car is delivered, everyone is ready to go home. As soon as I arrived, the manager called me into his office cabin. I was handed over the flight ticket, hotel booking papers and everything for the next day. He is going home soon to celebrate Vishu. If he leaves now, he will be able to reach home in the evening. Ali brought the vehicle to be delivered to the delivery point for him. He is right there with all the necessary things for delivery. I looked at Asif and he doesn't usually pick up the phone when I call him. There is a habit of calling back after some time. I was told that if it was as I was told, it would arrive before noon. The usual, the phone you are calling is switched off. There is no change in his case. Looks like we will be posted today as always. I asked Ali, are you coming down early? No was the answer from him. Everyone has decided to return home after lunch. I can leave this vehicle only after delivery. Anyway, wait for him. Ali is in service. He takes care of the vehicles to be delivered. He is like a baby brother to me. Ali went to the service side. May 2. There, the vehicle I gave earlier has come with some problems. The company called back and came to replace the parts. It is a businessman's vehicle. That vehicle has traveled a long distance in a short time. Some view vehicle purchases as employees. Get more work done in less time. When necessary, sell the vehicle and buy a new one. This is the 3rd vehicle I have given him. Sometimes people like this are my gods. I spoke to the service staff for a while. I tried to call Asif from time to time, same old reply. That's when I remembered a mistake. It was enough if his manager also bought the number. It doesn't matter now.